Leah, forgive me, my son.
It doesn't matter how it's but like this.
I will be talking with you after that I will marry you. Trust me.
Hey you! Hey you! You are sad with your mother like they were not other. What do you say? Your mother is not my day. I know my mother and I know your father. Wow! My father is getting a smack in the womb. Do you understand? Good like that? You say good? Hey you! If you don't, you must stand before I slap you. Slap me, you dare. Bad girl. Mother! Hi! Mother! I dare bad woman! What do you sit with Moksa? I hate them. I hate Owen and Moksa. I don't want to you to marry again, you know? Oh, bad girl. No. Father, you don't love me again.
I love you so much, my daughter.
Don't marry again.
And I
Why?
don't love you. I have been married to another woman
No,
now.
not willing if the father married to God's mother.
Oh, shut up.
Hey, come here. What? What again? Don't touch me. Is your mother Gracie girl? Hey, I know my mother, you know. Oh, you make angry. Okay, okay. Hey, you. As long as you know, yeah. Until whenever will I bless? Hey, my father married to your mother. So you think I would love to have a sister like you? Do you think I'm happy to have a sister like you?
Okay, it is very. If you boy, we are married, we are not married.